Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new over here, hi, my name is Nikita. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. So in this video I'm going to be taking you guys to how to apply a normal basic eyeshadow. I'm not going to be doing full makeup routine or something like that. I'm just going to do the eyes and how to apply a normal basic eyeshadow. Applied it right here. So without making this intro super duper long, let's just get into this video. Okay, according to me, I don't think so you need 57 different type of makeup brushes to apply eyeshadows or 57 different type of eyeshadow brushes to apply a basic eyeshadow. I think you only need 3 different type of brushes. So you need this flat brush, and then you will need this buffer brush, and then you'll need a small packing brush for the inner corners. I think if you have these 3 brushes, you'll be good to go. Okay, tip! Drum roll please. Want your eyeshadows to stand out, and if you want to blend in very properly and very seamlessly, I would encourage you to apply a base color all over your eyelids so that the eyeshadows that you're going to put on your eyes blend everything in very nicely and very seamlessly. I'm going to take a normal neutral eyeshadow on my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. So a quick tip that I usually forget is to dust your eyeshadow before applying it on your eyelids, because if you're using a darker color, there's 99.9% of chances that it will fall out of. I'm going to take this warm brown eyeshadow and apply it as a transition shade on my eyes. Transition shade usually goes on your eyelid, on your crease line, so that it gets easier for the 2 eyeshadows to blend in. So I'm going to apply it back and forth on my crease line. Working with your eyeshadows, please be very patient with them. Just take good 10 to 15 seconds to blend everything in. If you're using shades of brown, it kind of contours your eyes as well, and it kind of gives a depth to your eyes if you're using brown as a transition shade. Going for bronzy sort of eyeshadow look that I usually go with, but if you're playing with pinks, if you're playing with purples, it's your thing, and however you want to experiment it. Real way of applying eyeshadows are that you have to apply the darkest shade of your eyeshadow on the outer areas of your eye. Unless you're really bold and you really want to experiment something new, you can definitely try and experiment. It's all about having fun with whatever thing you do. But the ideal way of applying an eyeshadow is to apply the darkest color of eyeshadow on your outer areas of your eye, and then play with the highlighter and the base as well. But you can see that the darkest color is definitely and most probably on the outer areas of your eyes. So I'm going to take this flat brush, and I'm going to apply color of my eyeshadow all over my eyelid. I'm going to take this blackish brown, deep brown shade on my blending brush, and I'm going to apply it on the outer areas of my eyes. To take this shimmer shade of brown and apply it on my inner areas of my eyes. I'm just quickly going to finish up my look by applying some liner. Now the choice is completely up to you if you want to apply a winged eyeliner on a normal eyeliner or some kajal on, or if you just want to apply some mascara on and then just be it that way. The choice is definitely up to you, but I just like to apply a normal. I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Nice. And now I'm just going to put some mascara on and finish the look. That's it for today's video, guys. This is only a basic way and a simple way how to apply an eyeshadow. Experiment and change the shades of it. Definitely you can put the highlighter in between and then the normal color on the outer areas. You can definitely experiment it accordingly according to your style. It's just a basic way how to apply an eyeshadow. Enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Also share this video if you found it helpful, and follow me on my social medias. If you recreate this look, please tag me on your social medias, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.